Okay, we're going to look at how to write a simple script to place a market order. So what I have here is I have Interactive Brokers, my paper trading account open, and then I also have Visual Studio Code, and then we are going to use Claude AI to help us write the script. So in Claude here, I'm simply going to say, using IB API, which is Interactive Brokers API, and IB in sync, which is just a library that we use, write a Python script that places a market order for $1,000 for NVIDIA. That's simple. Now, if you're using some other brokerage, you would, say for instance, you're using Alpaca or you're using TD Ameritrade or whatever it is, you would simply just say, using TD Ameritrade's API, write a Python script. Using Alpaca's API, write a Python script. And Claude is pretty good at knowing all those APIs internally anyway. So we're just going to go ahead and let it run this script, or excuse me, write this script. These AI platforms are pretty dang good at getting it done right on the first try. So what we're going to do is we're going to kind of take a look, and it actually is pretty good at telling you, hey, here's what we've done. I've written it all for you. It kind of goes through all the steps that it's doing. But also what I really like is in the code here, you can see that it labels the code. It says, right here, it's connecting to Interactive Brokers using the port 7497, which is the paper trading port. And then it tells you, we're defining the contract here, we're requesting market data. So not only does it write the code, it actually does a good job at labeling each part of the code so you can actually see what that part of the code is doing. So I'm just going to simply take this, I'm going to take this script, and we're going to go ahead and copy it, and then we're going to put that into our Visual Studio Code. So we're going to go to New File, Python file, and then we're simply just going to paste that code in. And then we save this file, and we'll save it as, we'll just call it market test. So once we've saved it, we can open it back up, market test. So now we have it saved and open. I'm just gonna make sure that we're showing our paper trading account here, so we can just validate that it places the order. So now that we have the script saved, let's just go ahead and run the script and see how it does. So we're just going to press play. It's going to run the script, and you can see order completed, bought 7 shares of NVIDIA at market price. We're going to go over here, and you can see that it did indeed buy 7 shares of NVIDIA. The market value is 9. It got the closest it could get to that $1,000, which is about $966. So you can see in the first try using AI, it was able to properly do exactly what we wanted it to do. So that is just a simple script to place a market order. You can grab this script in my script library if you want to use this and combine it with whatever you want. But that's just a very simple way to place a market order. Thanks.